Yeah, just a fake out, guys. All right, fans, we always need your help as well here for Demolition Derby action, so we need you to count them down as Ryan, Tanya, and Caleb want to wave those green flags. Count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Caleb, Ryan, Tanya, wave that away. Great job. Here they go, in and around the concrete post. And number 99 will be Randy Hiley. He tries to take to the outside, the 2-7 of Tom Klein. Klein trying to get it back to the inside. As the number 99 gets turned around, then he swerves at the stop. Here comes back the number 2-7 back through the middle, chased down by the 99. Jacobs trying to get through the middle now. Jacobs comes to the inside, the 2-7 makes his way. The 2-7 of the Tom Klein works his way through, chased down by the 99 of Randy Hiley. Now the number 23 has the shot. Cody Hiley as a Denny Schwartz makes it through. Here comes the number 2, Tom Klein, 2-7. As he works his way through, just gets by before Brad Jacobs. Right almost got up the south end of the arena. Now Denny Schwartz goes through. Tom Klein on the binders. Stops just in time before he piles into the 3-car chassis in the middle. They've got a safety coming down to the number 99 now. 99 trying to work his way through. Spun out by number 23 of Cody Hiley. Continuing to work their way through the arena here. Getting put around the 2-7 of Tom Klein. Now Brad Jacobs tries to chase out back to the inside of the 23 of Hiley. Now to the inside, Jacob in the number 14. As he works his way through. Now over into the concrete. As he's hung up on the concrete, here comes the number 99. Now Klein having a problem. Here comes the 23 of Cody Hiley. He tries to cut through. Now the 99 has to hit the binders here. The 2-7. Tom Klein works his way through. Trying to come back through. Being hung up as Denny Schwartz tries to bump the number 23 of Cody Hiley out of the way. Denny Schwartz being chased down by the number 99 of Randy Hiley. Hiley now has to back up, but here comes the 23. Cody Hiley. Now Tom Klein also has to shoot the 2-7 has to stop. Schwartz back on the gas, able to get through. Leaves the field down to the north end of the arena. Denny Schwartz in the 851 back through. Here comes the number 99. Randy Hiley works his way through. Tom Klein into the Cody Hiley. Now Jacob off the wall and in reverse. Brad Jacob. And we'll go checkers here. Checkers in the arena. We'll stop his figure 8, heat number 1. As the 5 cars working their way through, the number 99 of Randy Hiley completes the 10 laps. The 851 of Denny Schwartz and the 2-7 of Tom Klein. Those are your top 3. The 99, again the 99 of Randy Hiley, the 851 of Denny Schwartz, and the 2-7 of Tom Klein, the first 3 cars. And number 99 makes his 10 laps.